Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 13th November, Nifty ends today at 23,602 and Bank Nifty at 50,236. Before proceeding to our market analysis, let us discuss the long-term count for Nifty so that we can expect what is happening currently and what wave it could be. So, see on November 2nd, I shared this. See, expecting the price to reach 30,350 to 33,000 levels in bigger wave 3. Okay, wave 3 itself, this is possible. If this is the case, this current count can be the 3 of 3 ended or price still not yet completed the 3 of 3 because the Bank Nifty yet to start its 3 of 3. So this is the assumption. So combining with the Bank Nifty, some assumptions made. The current structure in both the cases wave 4. We will discuss these things in the chart. See, first idea is 3 of 3 ended. That is this one. This 3 of 3 has been ended here. But this is not my primary count. I am expecting the price to be still in wave 3. Okay, that's my primary assumption because Bank Nifty, in my opinion, the 3 of 3 yet to start. Okay, that is what I mentioned here. A price still not yet completed the 3 of 3 because Bank Nifty yet to start its 3 of 3. So what is that count? So this is my primary count now. The price may be still in 3 of 3 and currently we are in this minor subwave 4. In both the situations, this is minor 4, this is bigger 4. In both the situations, we are in wave 4. That's why I said the current structure in both the cases wave 4. So the price can come lower after a good bounce or can form a consolidation for few weeks. That is, the price will be in correction for some time. This is what the analysis we made on November 2nd. So this I leave now because this is not my primary count. If it is the count, the price needs to come minimum 22,700. Okay, but this is not the case I'm expecting now. So I go with my primary count of this. Okay, this wave count is my primary analysis. So I'm expecting 23,380 approximately. I marked already during 2nd November. Okay, so this is the expectation now. So this is the idea we have. So if the price declines, the important level we need to see is around 23,380, approximately 23,300 to 400 zone. If the price declines, this is most important price point we need to check. If the price comes to that level in this decline itself, I can even go with the option of the correction has been over here. Okay, see, this is the 38.2% from this low. Okay, if it is wave 3, wave 4, this point 23,380 approximately that zone is the 38.2%, which is the minimum requirement for a wave 4 to complete. So if the price comes to that 23,400 levels, I can even go with the option of correction has been over and we may start with the 5 of this 3, this 5 of this 3. Okay, yes, of course, the wave 4 can even take triangle shape or whatever pattern, but the minimum expectation has been met if the price reach 23,300 to 400. Okay, this is the understanding. Okay, with this background, so this one I shared yesterday. We discussed this as optional count. I mean this one in our previous weekend analysis on 8th November. We discussed that either the correction has been over here or the correction may come lower to this point like this. And also I said if the price comes lower, we need to find an impulse or an ending diagonal to complete the wave. This is what we discussed. Okay, see here, we discussed this optional count if the price comes lower, and already we expecting the levels between 23,760 to 23,650. This 23,650 zone we already discussed a couple of weeks before, right? During October itself, we expected this zone as an important support. And I said this approach is valid only if the price gets support around 23,800 and a bounce and comes one more low. But that not happen today, and that's why I shared this option also. This approach is invalid if the price directly goes to the 23,650, that is gap down or without any bounce. So in this case, without any bounce. So the understanding here is in both the cases 23,650 zone is expected. Got it? So 23,650 zone is the expected, and the price has been crossed 23,650 today. Okay, the price reached that zone. So the approach is invalid. Without any bounce, the price reached 23,650 and the price reached that level without any significant bounce. So it may go further lower levels. So this is the understanding. Okay. And this is what we discussed in our weekend analysis. And I shared yesterday, we need to focus the an ending diagonal or an impulse wave to complete this wave 5. And this is the support level. But if the price directly comes to this level, the next lower levels can be expected. And I marked around 23,350 to 23,200. And this is based on the assumption we just saw, right? On a larger perspective, 23,400 to 300. Okay, that zone is an important support. Based on that level, I marked these two lines, 23,350 to 23,200, and the price may attempt to reach these levels. And in my opinion, if the price reaches these levels, as I said, I may even think about the completion of correction also. Okay, at least we will get a very big bounce. So this is the assumption I'm having now. Okay, and currently, yes, you can see the price is not yet over. So the price will 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is possible. Okay, a bounce, and the bounce get rejected at maybe you can check this level. I not used any fib levels. I'm just giving the direction alone now. So 1, 2, 3, F4 and 5 is possible. Okay, and I believe this 5 wave will end this set of correction. Either the entire set of correction is over since the important level has been reached, or the first set of correction has been over. So even in our weekend analysis, I said even if the price comes lower, this should be the last leg of correction. So yes, as of now, this is the assumption, and let's see how the price behaves here, and then we may decide. Okay, so your 4 and 5 may reach around 23,350, initially 23,350 to 400, and then we may expect 23,200. Let us see how the price behaves here, and we may analyze further. So this is the view on Nifty. So a bounce and one more low is highly possible. And in Banknifty, see, this is very important, and I will share the 2-minute clip which we discussed on October 12th. Okay, almost a month before we expected this situation, and I can bet that you cannot learn this kind of analysis anywhere, because this is 100% practical way to approach the market with the help of Elliottwave. This is the point. I said that the price crosses here, so the price will make some other pattern and come one more lower. Okay, this is what we discussed during this October 12. Okay, and even I said that the price may attempt to reach 50 to 400, and you can see the price touched 50 to 550 and came lower. So even here I can expect a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is highly possible, and I will share the clip for your better understanding. In previous weekend analysis, we discussed that the price should not come below this level, and you see the price slightly come below this level. So this is a significant difference between other analysis and Elliottwave. There is no concept of closing prices in Elliottwave. Okay, many are asking this doubt. It's a very common thing. There is no closing price significance in the Elliottwave. The price touches that important level or not. That is what important in the Elliottwave. Here, the price came little below, even if you see just a wick. Okay, came below our low point. So this low, okay, this low can be a important clue for coming days. So how it can be? In my experience, most of the times, if this happens, there is a chance of the price to come one more lower. I'm saying even below this point, below this low of 49,500. Okay, let us see. This is not any recommendations. These kind of price action I have experienced before, so I'm expecting it to happen again. That's all. These are not any trading recommendations. This is just my view. So because of this low, I'm expecting one more low may happen in this decline, and the price can be an expanded flat. And expanded flat, the C should come below this below A point, and this is the minimum requirement to touch. So the minimum expectation is the C should come below this A point, and if this cannot be an wave 1. If this wave 1, then there can be a bigger decline. I'm not expecting bigger decline as of now, so I'm assuming a 5 wave within this ABC. Sorry, C. Okay. So if it is just a wave 1, then the decline can be very big, but I'm not expecting such a decline now. So possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 4 already ended, or one more high to 52,000 levels, 52,400 levels, because there's a possibility of one more higher in Nifty. I mean, this leg, there's a possibility. So Banknifty also may move higher and may come lower. We need to see. But there is a chance of one more low in Banknifty. Right? See how exactly the price reacted here, whether it is an ABC or WXY. Okay, that is different, but both can come in the expanded flat. So this is what I'm expecting now. And even the single point, okay, that is what the most important level of understanding we need to get from the practical approach of Elliottwaves. Because of this small wick, we expected one more low, and as per the expectation, the price came lower, and as we just saw, the price can still will move like this. So the minimum expectation is the price should reach here, okay, around 49,650 zone. Probably it may come even below that point, and if it comes fast or takes some other pattern, even the price can reach 49,300 to even 48,850. These are the zones which I marked earlier, but let us see how the price first reacts here. Okay, but based on this pattern, the price should come below this point, at least equal or somewhat lower below this point. That is the expectation. So let us see 49,650 first, and then we can expect the next level of 49,300. So this is the approach on Banknifty. This is not any luck factor. This is proper understanding of the Elliottwave. There is no theory and there is no RSI I used. 100% waves. That's why I call my course as the purest form of Elliottwave trading. See, while talking about the RSI, you could see many charts have failed the positive divergence RSI. See, during this correction, you can check many charts. RSI has been failed. Okay, the RSI gives the positive divergence, but the price keeps on moving lower. Why? That's the reason. Elliottwaves are the primary. Okay, RSI is just an indicator. Yes, it is highly effective indicator, but during the bigger correction, the RSI divergence will trap. Okay, in this time, you need to give importance to the nature, character, wave patterns. That's why I strongly recommend my learners that primary is waves, and we need to use the fib numbers. The last thing we need to use is RSI. I hope you will understand the importance of the wave theory, and as I said, this analysis is not just a luck factor, because I have explained to my learners in one of my additional value added video, even one point may change the view. Okay, if you are my learner, just go through this session again. You can understand why I said because of this reason we expect one more low. If you wish to learn the Elliottwaves in most practical way, many will ask, what is the 100% practical way you are teaching? This one example is sufficient, I guess. Okay. Because of the single wick, I said that the price will come lower. That's the practical idea, practical knowledge you get from my course. Okay. This is just one example. There are a lot of examples in my course. And if you wish to learn the purest form of Elliottwave trading, and I call my course as Waves Leads the Price. And I justify the name today also because in October 12th itself, we expected the price to go to 50 to 400 and come lower to this point, below this point. And that is what happened today. And this is how Waves gives path to the price. Fine. And yes, one more important update about the course. See, in my course today, I posted a video regarding the screener, which is my own screener. That screener helps us to identify the stocks which are near to the turning points so that we can be prepared and take entry at the best risk reward positions. And many learners asked for this screener, and as I promised, today I posted. See, if you want to learn the Elliottwave in most practical way, you can subscribe my course. I give all the details in the description. See, the course itself 100% practical way, and in the course part itself we have 350 plus charts. And in addition to that, I'll be posting new video every month, and most importantly, I will be supporting for the 1 year. And I believe that not many people doing all this, and that too in the Elliottwave course. So if you wish to learn the practical way of understanding the Elliottwave, you can register my course, and I give you all the details in the description. Okay, this is the opinion on Nifty and Banknifty, and even though whatever we said, it worked well, this is not the any buy or sell recommendations. This is my analysis, and please don't take it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. And actually, in midweek market update, I talk about only Nifty and Banknifty, but many people asked for silver analysis because many are got locked in long position. See, this is very important. I want to mention again and again, and even I'm saying it in each and every video. If you are a beginner and if you're not having very big capital, please don't involve in FNOs. Okay, so try to trade in the cash stocks, and do not worry that entire market is down. So our cash positions usually will have a drawdown during this time. So have patience, and this is what the expectation now. Let's see how the market takes support, and we may decide further. Okay, let us see the silver analysis. During our weekend analysis, this is what we expected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means one more low to the 30.326 levels. This zone. This is the expected zone to reach for support. And if you see, price exactly taking support from this point. Right? See, this is what happened next. And the price is approaching on 11th November 30.326, and the price got exactly support there and moving higher. But are we completed the entire 3 waves here, or all can be wave 3? Okay, that's an important question now. So the price needs to give a pullback, and we may expect some pullback to the around 31 or $32 approximately. If it is a wave 4, we may expect some retracement to around $32. These are the 2 points we may expect the price to reach, because this is safer call. We don't know whether the correction has been completed here or first leg of correction has been completed here. If it is, the price may still go somewhat bigger to this point, 33 or something. Okay, but for safer side, I need to check how the prices are approaching these levels. If it all comes, we need to see how the price approaches here. Then we may analyze further. So there is a possibility of end of correction at this point. Okay, but for safer side, you can see whether the price is rejecting around $32 or not. Okay, and we need to see the corrective pattern also, how the price action is developing. Then we may decide further. Yes, this is the view on silver, Nifty and Banknifty. During these corrections, you will understand the effectiveness of Elliott waves. We should not rely on indicators alone. Okay, all these are real-time experience. You got it now. If you are Elliottwave analyst and trader, just focus on the wave pattern alone. Primarily, you focus on wave pattern, then give the importance to the fib numbers. Both should be combined, and at last, you can give some preference to the indicators. I hope you like this video. And if you wish to get the market update twice a week, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, families, and fellow traders. So thank you. Trade safe. Always capital protection is important. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Thank you. Take care.